everybody. I'm ready to level and split my blueberry cake. So this one is going to take a little bit more trimming since I have sort of these odd shapes here from that issue that I had with my protein content in my flour was a little bit low, but that's why we trim, so I'm not going to worry about that at all. So I have my turntable that is spinning nicely. I have parchment underneath just so I can have easy cleanup. And I'm going to start with my serrated knife. Remember our clock, we have 12, 3, 6, 9. I'm right-handed, so I'm going to start here at 3 o'clock. I'm going to come down here on eye level, give this a spin, and see where my low spot is. So it's right here. Gonna do that gentle sawing motion, keeping my knife level. And at 3 o'clock, just working about 1 inch in. And I am working with a 6-inch cake today. Then I'm gonna work my next inch in and start working towards the center. Okay, that looks crazy. So I'm gonna come back here. And now on my high spots, I'm just going to shave that off. My cakes are nice and chilled. I had them in the refrigerator overnight. Just a little bit more. So you may see that your blueberries sunk to the bottom, but we can overcome that when we layer these cakes together. All right, that looks good. So now I'm going to, here at 3 o'clock again, I'm gonna split these in half. I should start to see some nice blueberries pop up when I get these two separated. Okay, yeah, blueberries. All right. I have a lot on the bottom. Okay, now I'll do the same thing for my next one. Okay, so before I trim my sides, I'm actually going to stack these cakes up a little bit differently than what I usually do because I have all these blueberries that are on the bottom. So I'm going to start, because this is quite moist and I don't want this sticking to my cake board. So I'm actually going to start with that turned over. So I have my bottom one, then I'm going to put its top. Then because I want to alternate my very nice blueberry layers, I'm gonna put that one next. It's my bottom piece that I turned over. And then so that I'm not stuck with this, this was originally the top of this layer, and I have this curve here, and I want to get as nice sharp edges of my cake as possible. I'm just going to turn that one over so this is a little bit of a sharper edge. Okay, just going around, making sure that these guys are lined up as straight as possible. And then now I'm going to go ahead and trim down my side. So just running that knife straight down, taking away that excess as little as possible because I don't want to just be throwing away cake. And I'm still just working here at this 3 o'clock position so that I can keep a good eye on what is happening with my knife. I can make sure that that's staying straight up and down and I'm not getting any sort of angle. Okay, all the way around. So now I'm just going to mark my reference point here, just about a 1/2 inch in at most, 1/4 to a 1/2 inch. Just cutting that down. So now this is going to be my reference point so I can get this stacked up exactly as I have it right now. And now I'm ready for the filling and crumb coat.